Now we're going to create our first dictionary. We started it when we typed self.dimensional_forms, the equal sign, or the assignment operator. So add a space after the assignment operator and put your opening curly brace. Visual Studio Code will also provide you with that closing curly brace automatically. So that was our variable reference, and those curly braces tell Python this is a dictionary. Dictionaries are Python's most powerful data structure because they store information in key value pairs. Here, tesseract in quotes is our key. It's like a label or catalog number. The colon after that closing quote tells Python everything after this colon is the value associated with this key. And notice we're opening another set of curly braces because our value is going to be another dictionary. So right away, we're creating nested dictionaries. Now we add the mathematical properties, vertices 4D as the key, 16 as the value, and a comma, then edges 4D, colon, 32 as the value. Each line follows that same pattern, key, colon, value, comma. The key vertices 4D points to the value 16. A tesseract does have 16 vertices in four-dimensional space. Instead of having separate variables scattered around, our dictionary groups all related information about each 4D shape in one logical structure. The key acts like a scientific label, allowing us to instantly access any piece of information about our tesseract.